Let's get started. Hi, we're Team 4, and I'm Ken,
I'm Ethan.
I'm Alan.
And I'm Zane.
and we're proud to present to you Machinist Math. This all started when I was making my own metal pens on the lathe, which is this machine over here, and there were a lot of tedious calculations that I had to do, and I messed up and ended up having to redo hours of work. My hands were always dirty with coolant, so I couldn't use my phone, and I noticed and I was frustrated that there were no hands-free apps I could use.
Machinists have to perform lengthy calculations that are prone to mistakes, and these mistakes result in expensive parts being scrapped, wasting money, time, and materials. And to prevent these mistakes, machinists use calculators. However, existing calculators cost over $100.
Now, our solution is an online AI voice-powered calculator that saves time by just having to talk to it instead of inputting calculations. It reduces mistakes by not having to memorize formulas, and it is always accessible to machinists, even if their hands are dirty. And here's an example calculation that someone would do with our calculator. We also have an early demo of voice control with a custom GPT that is not seen here.
And you can see here, we've actually developed a working version of the app with some of the basic calculations.
So looking at these products that are fairly similar to ours, also address the same problem. We can see like from the estimated sales, there's a large market for these products.
And for the market, there are roughly 4 million machinists in the world, and in that, there are around 100,000 hobbyists in America. If we compare our app to our competitors, we can expect a user base of around 20,000 people, which is 0.5% of the total addressable market.
And our business model, we chose to have a one-time fee instead of a $14.90 or one-time fee instead of a subscription model. This is due to a bunch of feedback we received, and that is a one-time fee of $14.99 with our expected users of 20,000 in 5 years. Our estimated revenue is around 300K, and then if you subtract costs, our total profit would be around 283,000.
Let's talk about the traction so far. We've posted our app to a variety of forums and received a lot of feedback. We've gotten over 243 page views and 12 signed-up users who have put in their emails and expressed interest. One user who owns a CNC machining shop that makes car parts said the UI worked exactly the way he wanted to, helped save trips to the computer, which caused distractions, and helps him earn money indirectly from faster jobs. Another user said it would be very useful for him in industrial design because it's a hassle stopping everything to do the next calculation.
And here's our team.
Hi, I'm Ken, and I've been doing the coding and developed the MVP and landing page.
My name is Ethan. I'm in charge of customer outreach and marketing.
My name is Alan. I also did customer outreach and made the custom GPT.
And my name is Zane. I also do customer outreach and marketing.
So to execute our mission, we will create an app and we will integrate Siri to our app for quicker and more reliable calculations. We also want to make sure the UI is smooth and clean. To do this, we're looking for $4,000 to deliver our app at its highest potential.
Thank you for your time and attention, and we will now be addressing any questions or comments.
And I believe Ethan has posted the links to our landing page and app demo in the chat, so you can check that out there.
Thank you all so much. This is awesome. Can you share more about how you think you might reach folks for this segment? I know you mentioned you got some traction starting posting on Reddit. Do you have other ideas about how you might reach your target market?
So we've done some research and we found that our target market is a bit older. The average age is 47, and it's mostly males. So, and there's a lot of machining forums out there, like on Reddit, and dedicated forums like Practical Machinists. And this is a very close and tight-knit community. So once we have the initial users, people will be able to it will get around through word of mouth. And even then, the App Store is still very widely adopted, even in the older demographic. And you can see from our competitors that they have already tens of thousands of users and hundreds of thousands of sales.
Yeah, really cool presentation. Very, very interesting idea as well. I think in the same vein of how are you going to reach your market? I'd be curious in hearing a little bit more about how you finalized maybe maybe some of the customer feedback, as you mentioned, you've gotten, I think you alluded to it a couple times, maybe once when you decided to make it a one-time fee instead of a recurring subscription as well. But I'm curious, have you gotten any ideas for like, or how has your product roadmap or maybe your future product roadmap been influenced by some of the customer interviews you've done?
So we did our interview with the CNC machining shop owner, and we had like a really long talk about his problems. And so we've received some mixed feedback, but we found that for him it would be really useful to be able to transfer the information via voice quickly, because he's doing these parts and he has to keep adjusting the parameters and trying to really push it to the limits without being unsafe. So then he will be like, so one useful calculation for him would be how much faster can I speed up the machine if I'm at these current settings. And there's already apps that can do these calculations, but he said that the voice feature would be a really unique factor that would help speed things up a lot for him. And he also told us about calculations that he does often, like calculating horsepower and metal removal rate. So we've incorporated those.
Awesome. Thank you, Machinist Math.
Thank
And
you.
next we have Data Link.